Hey, welcome back, future recruiting legends. If you're tired of chasing leads like you're in a never-ending episode of Survivor MLM Edition, breathe easy. Today we're diving into how you can scale smarter, not harder, with the power of AI. That's right, artificial intelligence isn't just for robots and creepy sci-fi movies. It's your new best friend for building your business faster than ever, without burning out or bribing your cousin Chad to join your downline again. This is Scale Smarter, how AI makes you a recruiting machine. And no, you don't have to speak robot, let's roll. Let's get one thing straight. AI is not here to steal your job. It's here to give you back your time, your sanity, and hopefully that mysterious hour you lose every time you open Instagram. AI doesn't replace the human element, it supercharges it. Think of it like giving your bicycle a rocket engine. Or if you're like me, giving your to-do list a clone of yourself who actually does stuff. So, how do we go from being just another marketer sliding into DMs to becoming a full-blown recruiting machine? Let's start with lead generation. Ah yes, lead gen, the lifeblood of your business. But also the part that makes you want to scream into a pillow. Finding leads can feel like swiping on dating apps. A lot of effort, a lot of rejection. A lot of people who aren't really looking right now. But AI is like that friend who knows everybody, keeps receipts, and doesn't mind sending 1,000 messages at once. With tools like Sparky AI or any smart CRM with AI baked in, you can identify your ideal audience, segment them by interest, behavior, or engagement, and then send tailored messages that actually sound like you, not a robot, not a scam, not that guy who cold DMs you with, "Hey boss babe." I mean, come on, you ever get those? Anyway, let me tell you what this really means. Instead of manually scrolling through Facebook groups or lurking on LinkedIn like a digital ninja, AI can help you predict who's likely to be interested in your offer. It's like having psychic powers without the crystals and incense. Say you want to target people who've been recently laid off, or stay-at-home parents looking for a side hustle, or gym rats who also happen to love residual income. AI can help find those folks, understand their online behavior, and put them on your radar before you even say, "Hey, do you keep your options open?" Now that's not just working smart, that's working genius. Okay, so now you've got leads, sweet, but leads without follow-up? That's just sad. That's like getting a phone number and never texting. Or worse, texting hey and ghosting after they reply. Here's where AI steps in again. Like your very own assistant who doesn't take lunch breaks or ask for a raise. AI-powered follow-up systems like automated email sequences, chatbot flows, and smart text campaigns help you stay in touch without turning into that desperate, just circling back person. And here's the kicker, they can personalize the heck out of your messages. I mean, these systems know when someone opened your message, clicked the link, watched the video, and even paused halfway through. It's not magic, it's machine learning. Creepy? Maybe a little. Useful? Absolutely. Let me give you an example. Meet Linda. Linda's a real person. Well, maybe not, but she represents real people. Linda's been browsing work-from-home opportunities and downloaded a lead magnet from your site called How to Make $500 a Week Without Driving for Uber. Smart Linda. Now, AI knows Linda's interested. It automatically sends her an email like, "Hey Linda, I saw you grabbed our free guide, what did you think?" And if Linda replies, boom, you get notified. If she doesn't, the system follows up in 2 days with, "Just checking in. Are you still looking for flexible income options? You're off living your life." AI, it's nurturing Linda like a digital butler with perfect manners. But wait, there's more. Let's talk content. Yes, that word. You know, videos, posts, blogs, lives, reels, all the stuff you know you should be doing but keep pushing off because, I don't know, your dog looked at you funny, and now you're emotionally unavailable. Creating content consistently is hard. Unless, you guessed it, you have AI helping out. You can use tools like ChatGPT, hello, to generate post ideas, write captions, script videos, meta, right? And even write comments or replies that sound like you, but, let's be honest, are probably more clever. AI helps you show up everywhere at once, without actually being everywhere at once. And you don't even need a ring light and full glam to do it. Let's say it's Tuesday and you're like, ugh, what do I post today? Instead of staring at a blank screen, you plug into your AI buddy, "Give me 5 funny posts about building a side hustle while raising toddlers." Boom. You get punchlines, hooks, call to actions, you tweak them, post them, and people are laughing, liking, and messaging you. Which brings us to the DMs. Ah, the DMs. That sacred space where deals are made. Or where you go to die from awkward small talk. AI helps here too. There are tools that can suggest what to say based on the lead's responses. Not canned scripts, smart suggestions. And the beauty is you still get to sound human, funny, real. Not like, greetings, I am here to offer you synergy and prosperity. Here's a tip. Use AI to handle the boring part of the convo, like explaining your offer, handling FAQs or qualifying leads, so that you can focus on the real connection, the vibe, the this person actually gets me moment. Imagine having a mini you chatting with 50 people at once. That's what it feels like when AI is trained right. Okay, let's talk about scaling. Because being a recruiting machine doesn't mean signing up 3 people and then crying into your vision board. When you scale with AI, you're building systems that don't break when you get busy, systems that onboard new recruits with automated training sequences, systems that tag your leads based on interest so you send them the right message at the right time. New team member joins, AI sends them a welcome message, links them to your onboarding portal, drops your best training video, and checks in after 48 hours to ask if they have questions. Meanwhile, you're not manually holding every hand. You're building a machine that helps others build theirs. And listen, your recruits see that. They think, wait, I don't have to be glued to my phone 12 hours a day? This looks doable. And that's how you create duplication without frustration. Alright, let's get real. Will AI solve everything? Nope. It won't brush your teeth, it won't take your mom off your back about getting a real job, and it definitely won't replace the magic of genuine human connection. But here's what it will do. It'll help you stop wasting time chasing dead leads. It'll help you be in 10 places at once without cloning yourself. It'll help you build better conversations, better content, and a better business without losing your mind. And, most importantly, it lets you focus on the parts of this game that really matter. Building relationships, growing leaders, and building something that doesn't crumble the moment you step away for a weekend. So, are you ready to scale smarter? Are you ready to become a recruiting machine, not by grinding harder, but by working with the machine? Because here's the thing, recruiting isn't about chasing, it's about attracting. And with AI, you can attract better people faster and with way less stress. Okay, remember earlier when I mentioned a tool called Sparky AI? This is the #1 AI tool for network or affiliate marketers. Alright, imagine you're at the helm of a recruitment spaceship, and instead of struggling with old school methods, you've got a secret weapon that just never sleeps. That's Sparky AI for you. This isn't your run-of-the-mill recruiting tool. It's like having a team of hyper-efficient digital matchmakers dedicated solely to boosting your team's growth. In the past 3 days alone, Sparky AI has effortlessly delivered to me over 30 new leads. Yes, you heard that right. 30 fresh connections, all lined up like a well-organized conga line. Picture this. While you're busy strategizing your next big move, Sparky AI is out there, tirelessly making calls, sending texts, and even leaving those charming voicemail drops as if it were personally inviting each lead over for coffee. And doing all this with a sense of humor that makes even the most mundane follow-up sound engaging. It's almost like having a charismatic friend who never forgets to check in or crack a witty remark. Except this friend works around the clock and actually brings in results. So, if you've ever thought recruiting was as tedious as watching paint dry, prepare to be pleasantly surprised. With Sparky AI, not only do you scale smarter, but you also get to enjoy the ride, knowing that your recruitment machine is working behind the scenes to keep the leads flowing and the energy high. If you want more information on how Sparky AI can skyrocket your recruitment and lead follow-up, just click the link in the description. If this gave you even one idea you can run with, smash that like button, drop a comment, and let me know which AI tool you're going to try first. Remember, hustle is great, but smart hustle? That's where the magic happens. See you next time, you recruiting legends. God bless.